Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at the construction that's going on Spanish Town Road. Now we are on Washington Boulevard and we're going to turn off onto Spanish Town Road and see what's going on. So there are two projects going on Spanish Town Road. One is by the National Water Commission to lay water pipes. And the second one is by the NWA, which is to pave over the road. And the contracts have both been awarded to local contractors. So we're turning off of Washington Boulevard now and going on to Spanish Town Road so we can get an update as to what's going on. Now, according to Water Commission, they have laid the pipes, and Spanish Town Road has a lot of very large communities off it. Seaview Gardens, Olympic Gardens, you name it. The Spanish Town Road goes all the way to downtown Kingston. So they said the communities have grown so much that the existing pipes were not adequate enough to provide adequate water to these communities. So they said they were going to put in bigger pipes so that these communities could get a more reliable water supply. So Water Commissions did the work, or they outsourced it, gave it to a local contractor. And then when they are finished, the National Works Agency is supposed, through a contractor, is supposed to pave over the road. So the last update we got was that Water Commission had laid all the pipes and they were pressure testing them, and this was months ago. And as you can see, the road has not been paved over. So what the NWA said was they were going to wait until NWC signed off on their part, so that they don't want to pave over the road and then Water Commission comes and digs it up, which happens so many times. So Water Commission, I have no idea why they haven't signed off, or if they signed off and NWA said they gave out the contract to a local contractor, and the local contractor was just waiting on Water Commission to sign off to say their part is done. Water Commission said their pipes have been laid and they were just waiting to pressure test them, and that was months ago. And as you can see, the road has not been paved over, and there is no sign of any road work going on this road, at this side at least. We're going to go down to the 3 miles overpass and see if anything is going on that side, but there's no indication of any work going on. Yet both projects, contractors have been selected and funds allocated. So I'm not sure why this road hasn't been paved over yet. And this is a major road in the Kingston Road network. When you come off Mandela Highway, Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. When you're entering the city of Kingston from that route, you take either Washington Boulevard or Spanish Town Road. And this is the road you would have to take as Spanish Town Road. Also, the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. And this is the state of Spanish Town Road. I really don't understand what the holdup is. This is a very busy road. The busiest road in Jamaica leads into this road. The busiest intersection in Jamaica is off this road. And this is the state that the road is in. And it's been like this for months. You can see there is no digging, there is nothing. They've just left the road in this state. Now, Water Commission did dig up the road to lay the pipes. We have videos up of that construction, and then this is the state that the road is left in. It happens so many times. And this road also leads you to the wharf, the Kingston Wharf. It has so many warehouses. It's a very busy road. And there's no way the road should be in this state. That's the J. Ray and Nephew facility on the right. And that's where the warehouse for the J. Ray and Nephew makes the rum, the very popular rum in Jamaica. Not even Jamaica, the whole world. Okay, on the left is the Toyota dealership, and on the right is the 214 exchange, which is Red Stripe, the Red Stripe 214 exchange. And that's also where they make the Red Stripe beer in Jamaica and distribute a lot of other stuff like Pepsi, Heineken. Very large facility. Alright, so straight ahead now where you see this double overpass, that is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. That's the intersection of Spanish Town Road, which we are on, which is the lower overpass, and the top overpass is Hagley Park Road. And that's the busiest intersection in Jamaica. And look at the state of the road that leads you to the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So if we turn left here now, and we can go back to the original ground level of the intersection. So where you see that car going on the left, that's the original intersection, and then the overpass was built so that the traffic can flow freely. And it has worked because this was a real bottleneck. Alright, so clearly I have no idea what's going on with this road works, and it's no road work is going on this project. They've dug up the road and they've left it. It's to be paved. So we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.